In this simple instructional video, we're going to go over when it's time to replace your tires and also give you some good steps in maintaining and taking care of your tires. The first step is we're going to check the tread depth. Now, all tires come with tire wear bars in between each of the treads. These wear bars indicate when you are to replace your tires. If they get pretty close to the wear bars, you're going to need to replace your tires. This is an example of a tire that is at the end of its life. So not only are the treads worn down completely to the wear bars, you also see significant cracking on the outside treads, both sides of the tire. Step 2 is looking for damage on your tires. So we're going to be examining the tires for cracks in it. As you can see here, this tire is clearly cracked on both sides of the tire. Look for cracks or foreign objects stuck between the sidewalls, such as nails, etc. The next step is going to be examining the tire shape. If the tire is out of round or has noticeable bulges or deformations in the sidewalls, it's pretty well time to replace the tire. Anytime you see stuff like this, you've got a high risk of a blowout, especially if your trailer has a load on it. Another step is assessing the tire wear pattern. Now, we looked at this tire earlier already, and it's very obviously time for a new tire. However, this tire has been worn down pretty evenly across the entire tire. If the wear is uneven, especially favoring one side, it could be an alignment issue or an inflation issue, and it's probably time to replace the tire. An important step for maintaining a new tire is to ensure that you have proper inflation. You can read the maximum PSI on the sidewall of the tire, and to check these tires, you want to do so before you use the trailer, or in other words, when the tire itself is cold and hasn't been subjected to mileage on the road. Another step in maintaining your tires and making sure that they're cared for properly is to load your trailer correctly. Make sure that you don't have too much of the weight on one side of the trailer as opposed to distributing it nicely between both sides of the trailer to where you don't have more weight on one tire than the next. By following these simple steps, you'll extend the life of your tires, not to mention save money. Thanks for watching. If you're in the market for a new trailer, be sure to check out our website, lamartrailers.com, for more information.